Hello everyone, it's Mary here again, and today I'm here to talk to you about e-learning for all ages and levels. Specifically, I wanted to highlight an e-resource that we have here at MPL and that you have with your Milton Public Library card. That resource is called Brainfuse. Okay, so let's take a look. As you can see right now, I'm on the main homepage, mpl.on.ca. And if I head over to books, movies, and more, and go into our online library, you can see Brainfuse, which is all listed from A to Z. And let's sign in. Okay, so this is the Brainfuse main page, and all you'll need to do is enter your library code barcode number with no spaces. Let's get started. All right, and we are in. So as you can see, there is so much that you can do in Brainfuse, including a virtual hangout if you want to meet and get together with some of your other classmates. You can do that right here. Collaborate by inviting participants to meet with you at specific times and dates, and you'll be entered into the same room where you can all meet together to discuss whatever it is that you're working on. Alternatively, there's live tutoring. You can select your grade and select your subject and get live tutoring help. There is a writing lab. So if you want to have your writing or your papers edited by a virtual assistant, you can submit your document, add comments, and upload your document, and you'll typically get a response within 1 business day. There's the skill surfer. So if you want to practice certain subjects, certain grades, certain standardized tests, you can do so here. And it's all separated by age and subject and grade, as well as learning level. There's the language lab. So if you would like to connect with a language tutor, you can do so here for Spanish and French languages. And if you want to work on targeted lessons and practice tests, you can do so here. Great for adult resources as well. And if you want to use flashcard sets, you can do so here. And it's all categorized by subject. For example, math, I'll select that. And you can look at which type of flashcards you think will benefit you. Open them up. And there you go. It's also on a timer as well, and if you ever need to pause it, you can do so here. And that's how you get started with Brainfuse. I hope this is helpful, and I hope that you enjoy using Brainfuse in the coming weeks. Thanks, everyone.